So it's beginning to look a lot more like Christmas. So I've got some really zany ideas for the Christmas season. And I know everybody's a little concerned about having their Christmas celebrations and so forth with COVID going on. So trying to be a little bit careful and not so naughty. So I'm Chef Paulette, welcome to Naughty to Nice, and we are going to be making a nice recipe, and it's gonna be nice because we're trying to make it passable or easy to not spread COVID virus germs. So what I'm thinking is little appetizer type things that people can just pick up and go, right? So here's what I'm thinking today. This is my zany thing, right? So I found these little bitty tiny, they're so cute, little pretzel buns. And I thought, Oktoberfest kind of thing, nice cool weather. And so here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna make some little baby burgers, some pretzels. And so one tip I have for you guys for the holiday season is going to be to make things little and easy to pick up so no one has to touch anybody else's food, and it's you don't have to spoon it or anything like that. So let me show you how we're gonna make these little guys. Okay, first things first. Let's make the little burgers, the little baby burgers, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna put these on a tray and put them into the freezer for about 30 minutes. And now we're gonna caramelize the shallots. You can see I made kind of small ones that are about the size, starting to brown up a little in the pan here. So I just melted down the butter, added a little. Now I'm going to add a little balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to let that cook down a little bit. So I'm going to put a lid on that and let them sweat a little. is good. Very nice. Okay, so first things first, took my little hamburgers that we made out of the freezer. They've been sitting there for about 10 minutes. And I have a grill cast iron skillet. If you don't have one of these, you could probably do it on a little grill, but I would not do it on like a big grill. Something tells me these little girls are gonna go straight through it, and I don't recommend that. So you can put a little spray on your grates, okay? And then you're gonna sear these guys right up, but there we go, that's the sound. Here we go. So I'm gonna throw these guys on. I don't even know if I can fit them all on here. You can probably get 16 out of a pound of meat, so like 1 ounce burgers. I might have made mine a little too big because I only got 13, but that's okay. So while I'm waiting for these guys to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Now, if I had people coming over sharing these with me today, then I would be being very careful. I'd put my gloves on, I'd have my hair tied back, I would have my mask on, maybe a face shield depending on who was coming, if it was grandma or what. But to take these little guys and I'm just gonna cut them like this. Okay. While I can hear those delicious hamburgers going on back there. Now, if you wanted these to be keto, then you could either make your own little buns, or you could make gluten-free buns. You could maybe buy some little gluten-free buns, or you could just get creative. You could use this with like, you know, lettuce. Make some little lettuce ones, little lettuce wrap ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I need 2 more. I gotta find out where I put those other little girls. Meanwhile, let's check on these guys, see how they're doing. Pretty good. All right. I'm gonna let those keep searing up. I'm gonna grab a couple of pretzel bites. Now, I don't know if I told you about one of my secret ingredients, okay? But this right here is from a local farmer. It's black garlic mustard, which is pretty much like the crazy bomb, diggity bomb, diggity bomb. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start squirting a little of this on both the top and the bottom of the buns. Now, so a couple other things I'm gonna put on here. I'm gonna put some pickles. And here are those beautiful caramelized shallots. And then I've got some Swiss cheese, and I'm gonna just put like a little one on top of each of the burgers. So you can continue to fry these on the stove, or once they've got a little brown on each side, then you can pop them in the oven, which is probably what I'm going to do, because I feel like that's going to get them done a little faster. Because I think these guys in the middle are wanting to cook a little faster, so I'm going to kind of shuffle them around. Okay. We'll see him in a few minutes to reassemble. Okay, and now the hamburgers are out. So, okay, hamburgers are out. So here's what we're gonna do to finish these guys off. I'm gonna take one of the little buns, okay? And I'm gonna put a little hamburger on it. And remember, it's got the, it's got that delicious mustard. And then I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna put a little more because it just seems like it needs a little bit more. Mmm, yummy. This stuff does go a long way. You could use any kind of mustard, but of course you can't beat that BCBG from our local. And then I'm gonna put a little of the caramelized onion on top. Wow, check that out. Where's my top? Oh, here's my top. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I want to just take a little bite. I may have to just go ahead and take a little bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, hot. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. So delicious. And that's a wrap. These guys are absolutely beautiful and adorable. These are our mini hamburgers with pretzel bites and made with this amazing black garlic mustard. Yummy. You can buy it here locally in Pensacola at the farm. And I'm so excited for you guys. Holidays are coming. And I thank you so much for watching Naughty to Nice. Chef Paulette. Hope you'll go check out my website, www.naughty2nice.com. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel. Click that little bell right there so you never miss a notification of a new video coming out. So thanks, guys. Hope you have a great day. Chef Martin in here. Naughty to Nice.